Hey there, welcome to part 3 of the space plan of the Big Woods English Country Cottage. So last time I had showed you how we came about with the kind of more narrow 22-foot wide addition. Today I'm going to show you the 30-foot addition, which kind of just gives us more space for this floor plan and gives the clients a little bit more of what they were looking for. In the previous version, everything kind of felt very tight. It was, the couch was up against the wall, which the homeowner really did not like. So we talked about extending this out from 22 to 30 feet. So we evenly divided that extra 8 feet into each of these spaces. So 4 foot goes to the living room, 4 foot goes to kind of the bedroom side of this. It's important to note that we do want this whole living room area to be vaulted and exposed. So we really need to keep this center demising wall evenly spaced in order to follow the line of the roof and the gable there. So that's why we're splitting that evenly between those two pieces. One other change that I made here is to the entryway as well. Previously, we had a little bump out for the door, but I ended up just kind of squaring this off overall. This keeps the roof line quite a bit simpler. And so any additional costs we might incur by adding an additional 8 feet can kind of help be offset by a simpler roof line. Now the homeowners are a little bit worried about the front door kind of facing to the south, which is what this direction is, and taking a lot of abuse from the sun. So we'll talk about some simple ways that we might be able to provide an overhang and provide some shading there. It still gets them this entryway here with a closet and again the steps up to the main house. But what it really gives is additional space down here to the living room. So as I mentioned, the homeowner prefers their couch to be kind of perpendicular to this main wall here. So they have plenty of space for the couch, a TV area, an additional chair, and then they've got an even wider wall of bookcases with a library ladder here. So in the next episode of this video, I'll show you the 3Ds so you can see how that all works out. Again, the bedroom is much bigger too. It would allow plenty of space here to add a dresser if they desired, or maybe a little chair in the corner. So overall, just a much more functional space. Again, who's not going to argue with more closet space? So that's a big bonus. And in the bathroom, we're able to take some advantage of that space as well. So we were able to make this from a 48-inch wide shower to a full 60-inch walk-in shower, and then able to turn this freestanding tub 90 degrees to face this wall instead. So it gives a lot more circulation space, ability to kind of clean behind that tub as well. So that's something to think about anytime you're space planning. So overall, we really like this space a little bit better. Next time we meet with the clients, we'll see if there's any other tweaks to be made to this. But in the next episode, we'll show you the 3D views and how this actually looks in a three-dimensional space and how the volumes feel in this new addition. So thanks for following along.